Okay, in this video I'm going to talk to you about an important word in English, and that word is so. Now, so is used in many different ways in English. I'm going to be talking about one way that we use it, and that is as a substitution word. We're going to talk about substitution so. I have some of the different uses of so up here on the board. It can be used as a conjunction. I was hungry, so I ate. That's a result conjunction. Your class is so awesome. That's as an adverb for the word awesome. So let's try it. This is called an interjection. It's just a word that people use to start what they're saying. You might hear people put that at the beginning of their sentences. Those are very common uses of so. But what we are going to talk about today is the substitution use of so. And first we're going to look at substituting after verbs of thought. Think, believe, hope, guess, expect, and be afraid. This is not be afraid meaning scared. This is be afraid meaning I regret to tell you. I'm sorry to tell you this. After those, you can use the word so as a substitution to refer back to something that was previously said. For example, it should be sunny tomorrow. I sure hope so. So the so is talking about being sunny tomorrow. I sure hope it will be sunny tomorrow. Here the use of sure means really. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Oh, I hope not. Now we're using not as the negative. You don't say so not, just not. Not is used with hope, guess, or be afraid. I hope not. I guess not. I'm afraid not. When you're using think, believe, or expect, you use the negative don't. I don't think so. I don't believe so. I don't expect so. This is not common in American English to say I don't expect so, but it is possible. You'll notice I have think in parentheses here. That's because it is possible to say I think not, but it has a certain meaning. It has attitude with it, like don't think you can do that, something like that. You think you can take the last cookie? I think not. So be careful with that. Generally use think with don't. Now, this is a common problem I hear for people learning English. Putting so together with the information that it is substituting. I hope so, it's sunny tomorrow. You can't do this. You need to either say I hope so if we know what you're talking about, or I hope it's sunny tomorrow. Not both. Have I answered all your questions? Let's look at how we can answer this. I think so means, yeah, this is my belief, but not 100% sure. I think so. I believe so is more academic, more formal. I believe so. I hope so, my desire. Now, let's talk about guess, because I hear people use that incorrectly. It is not the same as think. Guess has a meaning of like you're really not eager or happy or ready to say yes. You're doing it hesitantly. So, for example, are you coming with us? Well, I guess so. You're saying yes, but not enthusiastically. So it really means that you're not totally convinced, you're not totally happy to do something. That's using guess. If that's not your meaning, you probably want think. I think so. Okay? Then let's take a look at using it with say or tell. To say so or to tell someone so. Remember that tell always needs to have a person after it. Tell me, tell you. So, I thought it was going to rain. My phone said so. Now, I know that the phone isn't really saying something, but we say it like this. It's possible. My phone said so. So my phone said it was going to rain. Come here. Why? Because I said so. This is a common phrase uttered by parents all across the United States and probably other places. Because I said so means don't question me, just do it. But I said so meaning come here. I don't think this is the right way, but if you say so means I don't totally agree with you, I don't totally believe you, but I will go with it. I will agree with it. It's an unconvincing way to agree with somebody. I knew that was a mistake. I told you so. This is also a very common phrase in English. I told you so. I told you that. You didn't listen to me, and now there are problems. Okay? If so and if not. That means if the answer is yes or if the answer is no. Are you under 55 years of age? This is a common phrase you might see something like this on a document, on a form, like a tax form. If so, that means if you are under 55 years of age, 54 or younger, fill out questions 1 through 9. If not, if you are not under 55 years of age, 55 or older, go directly to question 10. Is everything clear? What do we want here? Hopefully you're saying, if not. If not, let me know. If everything is not clear, if you are confused. Finally, less so and more so. She used to be a very light sleeper. Now she's less so. She's less of a light sleeper. A light sleeper is a person who wakes up very easily. So this means now she is a more sound sleeper, a sound sleeper, or a heavy sleeper. Okay? And then this one, my brother is quiet like my dad, but even more so. Even more quiet than my dad. It's common to use even with this, even more so. So, did you find this helpful? I really hope so.